Hey guys, welcome to another video on BLFTv, and today guys I'm gonna show you how to do Jamaican Escovitch fish the real and nice way. Alright, so my oil is hot guys, so I'm gonna flavor it with some onion, garlic and pepper. But trust me, I'm not gonna let this pepper stay in there because this pepper is casbonate pepper guys, and it is very hot. So 1-2 minutes I'm gonna take it out. Alright, so my fish clean, seasoned. I only leave one for the record. See, I remove it. I'm removing the pepper right now, guys. Yeah. So my fish now, guys, I'm gonna season one for the record just to show you how to do so. Alright, so you want to make sure your fish is dry, paper towel, and you're gonna just score both sides just like this. Alright, and then you're gonna do the next side just the same. Alright, and then I'm gonna add my seasoning. This seasoning I'm using is I make this season myself with other season including fish season, cayenne pepper and meat season. Both three mixed together right here. You could use whatever seasoning you like. Alright, so I'll put my season in the core, in the belly, and then guys I'm gonna give you some nice fried Jamaican fish and do it the Escovitch way. Alright, so I'm gonna place this fish right now in the oil guys and let it fry. So you want to let this fish fry a size like these, it fry at least 3 minutes on each side. Alright, just gonna remove these onion and garlic guys so I get some space. I don't want them to stick up on my fish. They already flavor the oil so they can come out. So after frying my fish for 3 minutes on each side guys, I'm gonna add my nata to it, and this is gonna flavor my fish. Alright, so if you want to have some of these nice fish like the fish that you get in White House, Westmoreland, Jamaica, you got to come to the summer fish fry right here that I have every summer guys. Alright, so I flavor my fish with my nata right there guys, and trust me, if you haven't had fish with nata, you're missing something. Alright. Alright, so you want to have a plain paper towel just to absorb some of the oil. But guys, I have to flavor my fish a little bit with the nata. I just love the nata flavor, so I'm adding a little more on this fish. Yeah. That's just me, right? Right. Guys, my skillet will work magic because just me full of heat guys. If you notice, quick and it fries, so you have to ensure your fish them fry properly guys. Look at that, beautiful. Trust me guys, and when you put the Escovitch sauce on these fish and you get yourself a nice Jamaican Escovitch fish. You understand? I'm gonna leave the ingredients in the description so you could see how I make this A matter of fact, guys, the link is right here on the right side of the screen just to make this Escovitch sauce, this finger licking Escovitch sauce. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you're not part of the family, please do join the family because you have a lot in store to get from BLFTv, guys. And I'm adding some drizzle of my Escovitch sauce right there. So there you go. Enjoy Jamaican Escovitch fish.
BLFTv,
BossLady Fayna Tv,
BLFTv,
BossLady Fayna TV,
BLFTv.
BLFTv, and them lock the road.
You know the style, BossLady Fayna.